In today's tutorial, we will look at how to add the calligraphic letter G to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX Code. So letter G is the seventh letter in the modern English alphabet, which is a Latin alphabet consisting of 26 letters. And we'll start here by creating a new Markdown cell. Here we'll add in lowercase calligraphic G, and we'll use the command mathcal. So it's a backslash followed by mathcal. And we'll input in this command a lowercase letter G. And to actually show this letter, we need to add $2 symbols before the LaTeX code, as well as $2 symbols after the LaTeX code. So now when we run this cell, we have the lowercase calligraphic letter G here, centered in the middle of the Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell. So we can also add in a uppercase calligraphic G. We'll use the same command mathcal. We'll input in this command an uppercase letter G and add $2 symbols before and after the LaTeX code. So now when we run this cell, we have an uppercase calligraphic letter G here, centered in the middle of the Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell. So this is how to add the calligraphic letter G to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX Code.